Thank you for choosing Rvinyl Performance Films. Before you begin your wrap kit installation, please be sure and visit www.rvinyl.com for detailed installation instructions. Rvinyl offers a wide variety of wrap kits. Not all wrap kits are intended for complex curve applications, such as the one illustrated in this video. If you are unsure of which Rvinyl series film to use for your application, please contact us. Always be sure to apply your kit in a well-lit, dust-free environment. Using a heat source, such as a hair dryer or a heat gun, greatly aids in the application of certain Rvinyl films. We offer a wide variety of application tools, such as squeegees, low-friction sleeves, application fluids, and razors to greatly aid in the application of your wrap. When trimming your wrap kit, be sure to take extra caution as to only score the film and not the application surface. Rvinyl wrap kits are easier to apply in small section. The larger the area that you're applying to in a single sheet, the more difficult application can be. Professional looking results take time. Be sure to exercise patience and give yourself enough time to properly install this product. Rvinyl recommends the use of a sealant pen to seal the edges of your film, promoting lamination and extending the life of your kit. To achieve professional looking results, be sure to use a new, sharp blade when trimming your wrap kit. Hobby knives or X-Acto blades are recommended for the trimming process. Application squeegees greatly aid in the application of your wrap. They help to reduce air bubbles and wrinkles during the application process. A low friction sleeve can be used to reduce scratches. This is particularly important for reflective films such as chrome.